Hey guys, my name is Callie and I'm the creator of Glazed Epoxy. In today's video, I'm showing you how to do this cup right here. It's very summery, very hot, bronzy, all of those good things. So this is just a deep brown spray paint on there. And then this glitter is some of my glitter from my new collection. It's not out yet, at least not when I'm filming this intro, but if it is, it'll be linked down below. But all this glitter behind me is going to be the Colorflex line. I guess we're gonna have not only glitter, but micas and pigment pastes and all different fun stuff. But on this cup here, this glitter is from that collection. And I just thought this was so fun. Just kind of a bronzy, summery look with these pineapples. Like, how cute is that? I think this turned out so cute, and I actually was not sure where I was going when I did the glitter and spray paint. And then it just kind of came to me, and I put a decal that says "Stay Golden" on there because I just thought that was cute. Golden as in golden pineapple, or golden as in tan in the summer, or bronzy and glowy in the summer, all those good things. We love golds, the color, the glitter, all of that. Now I'm totally excited for summer. It is getting nice out, but it's still not like hot yet. I'm still waiting for that hot weather. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this cup, let's get into the video.